moment that all of you joined this kick-ass community. Like there was a moment that was a spark, or you would not be here. And I've had conversations with different people in this community. I now coach many of you. And I'm like, there is something in your heart that made a sparkle. Like when you saw this opportunity here, let me know if you've seen any of the recordings in your community on like some of the mindset tips and strategies. I love connecting with like-minded, like heart opening audiences that want to thrive in all different areas. I think when you step up and become the example in your household, like it just does amazing things, not just in your own family, but in your community, in this planet. So help you reframe some of those things. I've been doing this kind of coaching for many, many years. I coach elite athletes, Olympians, CEOs, companies as large as Google. I've been doing this celebrities out here in California, but